Cronus International Limited wants to use standard payment terms to indicate when and from which vendor payment discounts can be received. Phyllis is tasked with setting up Microsoft Dynamics NAV to do so. Phyllis sets up new payment terms for a vendor. In this case, she specifies a 5% discount for fully paid invoices within 5 days. She sets up a code for each set of payment terms. Each payment term must contain a due date calculation formula that will tell the program how to calculate the due date. In addition, she must indicate a set of payment terms regarding the payment discount to indicate when payment discounts can be granted. Phyllis assigns the new payment terms code for the selected vendor on the vendor card. The payment terms code specifies the default payment terms for the vendor. You can, however, still change the payment terms for a specific transaction when creating a purchase document. Next, Phyllis creates a new purchase invoice. When she does so, the new payment terms are automatically referenced. Phyllis can still change the due date field, the payment discount date field, and the remaining payment discount possible field on the general ledger entries after the document is posted. Phyllis verifies that the posting is as she expects. The original amount is listed, as well as the possible discounted amount and the payment discount date. The payment discounts functionality within Microsoft Dynamics NAV Financial Management allows you to set up default payment terms and payment discounts to use with selected vendors, but still offers the flexibility of changing these terms and discounts on a transaction-by-transaction basis. If Phyllis wants to be able to post payment discounts for vendors, even though the payment discount date has passed, she can extend the payment discount period's default using the payment discount tolerance functionality in the general ledger setup. In this demonstration, Phyllis sets up payment tolerance to allow for payments that do not fully cover the invoice amount. The default payment discount tolerance can then be deselected for specific vendors on the vendor card if a payment discount tolerance is not relevant. Phyllis sets up Microsoft Dynamics NAV to permit vendor payments that differ from the invoice amount by 2% up to a maximum difference of 50 to be accepted as full payment. Phyllis also elects to have the application give her a warning whenever a payment can be accepted according to the payment tolerance specified. After she's closed setup, Phyllis can see the maximum payment tolerance information in the vendor ledger entries. Phyllis applies a payment to a new purchase invoice. She creates a new journal entry. The payment tolerance warning displays, and Phyllis elects the option to post the balance as payment tolerance. She accepts less than the full amount as payment in full. Phyllis double-checks that all ledger entries are correct. The payment tolerance feature within Microsoft Dynamics NAV Financial Management enables you to allow for payments that do not fully cover the amount on an invoice. Different payment tolerance terms can be set up for different currencies as defaults, but the program still offers the flexibility of changing these terms and discounts on a transaction-by-transaction basis.